welcome. You're watching the news at noon with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar rejects Trump Sarkar Rao, refutes the notion that PM Modi used Ab Ki Baar Trump Sarkar phrase in his Howdy Modi event to endorse US President Donald Trump's candidature for his 2020 re-election campaign. Jaishankar said PM Modi only used the phrase to refer to what Donald Trump had used during his presidential campaign. He said that India has a very non-partisan approach to the domestic politics in the US. He's on a 3-day visit to Washington, D.C. S. Jaishankar defends India's rights to buy Russian missile system. He said that, and I quote, "We would not like any state to tell us what to buy or what not to buy from Russia any more than we would like any state to tell us to buy or not buy from America. India has always maintained that what we buy, the sourcing of military equipment, is very much a sovereign right." Bihar battles flood fury. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba chaired a meeting of National Crisis Management Committee to review the flood situation in Bihar. 22 NDRF teams have been deployed. 6 are deployed in Patna. 2 IEF helicopters have also been deployed in rescue operations. Efforts underway to restore electricity in flood-affected areas. Dewatering machine being used in Patna to clear flood water. Pakistan violates ceasefire in Shahpur and Kirni sectors of Poonch district in J&K. Indian Army retaliates. 1 BSF jawan received minor injuries in a ceasefire violation by Pakistan at Maniari post of Hiranagar in Kathua district of Jammu last night. Union Home Minister Amit Shah to visit Kolkata today to speak on National Register of Citizens and Citizenship Amendment Bill at Netaji Indoor Stadium in Kolkata. A 5-judge SC bench headed by Justice N.V. Ramana begins hearing petitions challenging the dilution of Article 370 pleas that raise the issues of alleged restrictions imposed on movement of journalists in Kashmir, as well as petitions claiming illegal detention of minors in the valley are being heard. Remember, yesterday CJI Ranjan Gogoi said that the Apex Court does not have time to hear so many cases, so the hearing was postponed to today. Chinese President Xi Jinping flags off parade marking 70 years of communist rule in China, flaunts DF-41 missile capable of targeting US. This as pro-democracy protesters in Hong Kong plan to upset the celebrations with a series of potentially violent protests. Thanks for watching. That's all in this bulletin. The news and updates will continue on the other side.